Hello, I'm Dr. SheilaJudge, a physician and healer. And if you're living on this planet, then you've experienced trauma. Now, it might be acute, something very sad and sudden, a loss, an accident, a medical issue. But chances are you have what's called chronic stress. For a long time now, you've been feeling overwhelmed and stressed out due to the buildup of events, big and small, over your lifetime. I've mastered a technique called New Regression Therapy, or NRT for short, that very quickly goes to a cause of the anxiety or depression, which is the way we usually deal with trauma. It also addresses symptoms, physical or mental, that don't seem to fit in any categories. They kind of defy figuring out the cause. Now, there's something about trauma, though, that's often overlooked, and that is that the body remembers. Your body remembers these traumas, big and small, right down at the level of your DNA. And over time, if unaddressed, can lead to physical symptoms and even larger categories of disease, like diabetes or thyroid issues. So how do you know, though, if you have this kind of reaction to trauma? Well, you might have joint pains. You might have difficulty relating to others because of your mood. You might have temptations and addictions that you're dealing with, which you know aren't good for you. There could be skin issues, sleep issues. But I've come to pair this other approach with the approach of functional medicine. That is, going to the root cause of why you're feeling this way physically, why you're dragging around, why you don't have the wonderful joy of living on this earth that's really your inheritance, why you feel like you're missing out. And by functional medicine, I mean taking a look individually at what you're going through. It's one thing and very common to have a physical symptom and then throw something on that physical symptom that does suppress it, but it doesn't really get to why it's occurring. And of course, oftentimes it means it still goes on, even in hidden ways. So why should you continue? Ask yourself, why should you continue to keep this chain of suffering around you when it's really not needed? This approach looks at your individual genetic inheritance, but also what your body is doing at the cellular level right now. And through a comprehensive, individualized program, puts the body back in balance so that it can heal itself. So if this is interesting to you, and why not take that step toward your health and joy in living, you can join my Facebook trauma group, where you'll learn more about what causes trauma's effect on the body and the many ways that occurs. If you're really ready to take the next step towards health and joy and really rejuvenating yourself, then give me a call and see if my longer comprehensive program is right for you. Take care now.